Okay, here's the Speedo cluster. What I did is I peeled off the back of the rim all the way around. I got this off. Couldn't film it while I was doing it. And then that, I took the lens out, which is, you know, just a piece of plastic. No magnification. And then I took this out. And then what I did was, I'll have it in here, but I got an actual lens, magnification lens. It's convex on both sides, and then I put that there, and it fit perfectly. And with the white on the inside, when the light turns on, it's brighter in there instead of real dim, because this sleeve dims it and it also casts a shadow. See, the shadow is shorter a little bit. And when the light's on there, that whole rim lights up. And then this was the one that was on the replacement, so I actually was able to keep my new looking one and take this one off. And so what I did is I put the new lens here, put the new one on, and then I bent the tabs back, and we'll see that in a second. Okay, notice now I got that darker rim on there, and you can see the white in the back. I don't know if you can see the difference in magnification from this point of view, but it's gotta focus. Sorry, it's not focusing right. Man, totally not focusing. Right there it goes. Okay, see, you can see that it's big now. It is pretty big, but it doesn't give it justice. That's the lens in there, and it fits. I'm gonna do some light. Okay, and you'll see the difference when, see, that whole thing lights up there. It's almost worth it just to take it off, to take that thing out. But as you can see, the lens is make it bigger. It does make it bigger, you know. So it does make it look awesome. And I can tell it's so much bigger. So there's a cool little fix or adjustment, improvement. It makes it brighter, and it magnifies it a bit. So, you know, for people that are slightly blind like me a little bit, kinda, sometimes, it works good. So here you go.